How I tried to like make her feel okay, like don't worry, it's okay, you've done already, we've done already, it's okay, it's already in the past. She still sometimes doesn't feel like channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
This is Daodu and this is the ever beautiful Esther.
Yeah guys, Esther.
She's looking sweet today, right guys? Yeah. So welcome back to our channel once more. Today, we want to say, first of all, we want to say thank you to our followers, our subscribers.
Yes.
We are couples? Is it couples? Yeah, couples. we're from Nigeria and we live in Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the time being. No, we don't know for like
What?
But we live in Japan right now, so we hope you guys are enjoying our videos. We just try to come up with different cool stuff, you know. So for today, we want to have like a little, not discussion, a little thing about us. Today we want to talk about 6 things, like 6
Yeah,
things.
6 things.
It's not 6 things, like three things we like about
Each other.
Yeah,
so we're going to be sharing it with you guys.
So 3, it's just basic things, don't worry. It's not like very complicated things, just very small. Okay, let's go. Who is starting? You start. Ladies first.
Oh, who's ladies first?
Ladies first.
Okay. Alright guys, so my number 1 thing is this guy right here. What? DFS normal? You started. Normal. Stop. Okay guys, this guy right here is a comedian.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is, guys. Like, he's so funny. Like, it doesn't matter how bad your day is going or my day is going. Let me put it that way, because I'm always the one like,
having the much mood swing, right?
yeah. So no matter how bad my day is going, once he says 1 or 2 things, it's always very funny. And the thing is, like, it's not just to me, to outsiders also. Like, if he meets you for the first time or is in a gathering with where people are and all that, like, he just lightens up the mood. I don't know how. He just does. Why are you looking like that?
I say I'm crazy.
Yeah, kind of.
She said I'm crazy.
He just does things, and sometimes I'm like, oh my god, no babe, not here. And just everybody just starts laughing. I'm like, God, are you not shy? Like, what?
Why should I be shy? I don't know. Okay.
So he's really a funny person. Very funny.
Number 1 tip. No, I'm not.
He is.
So what's the next thing? Do you want to say your own next or I should say mine?
Yeah, say yes.
Okay. My own number 1 thing is she is very caring. My baby is very caring. Why I say so is she worries a lot, which sometimes can be so annoying. Like, you know when someone tends to worry a lot about your issue and it gets so annoying more than the issue you've been worried about.
Worried about other people's problems.
She worries, exactly. So she tends to get worried about my issue more than even me that I think is happening to. I'm like, hey babe, I'm not expressing this thing. Chill out, calm. It's like, no, you don't know. You don't know how I'm feeling. And she's all sad, gloomy, and just weak. Like, babe, are you okay? What happened to you? Calm down now. It is me now. Even me that I think happened to self, I'm not even worried. So she's like that, and to a very wide extent, I really love it because it shows that she's really caring and she always wants the best for me, which is very cool. So I just feel like sometimes I want to get angry, but sometimes I'm like, that's just what it is. It's just what it is.
Okay.
So that's it, yeah. So next for you, number 2.
For me, my next one is cooking. He loves to cook, guys.
Yeah, actually, I'm the best chef in this house.
Huh? What did you just say?
I'm the best chef in this house.
You're not, baby.
I am.
We are both.
Thank God we are both equal. So she knows that there's nobody like.
Yeah.
So if she comes and she's like, I'm not cooking for you today.
Yeah, he just goes to cook.
I cook.
So that's the thing, guys. So if I'm like, I'm tired, I'm not cooking anything, he just goes to cook his thing for us and always turns out very delicious.
I'm cooking my thing for you. I'm cooking food for you, not my thing.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Good, guys. Okay.
Okay, guys.
So he goes to cook
Cut to that
food. He goes to cook food for us. And yeah, it's always very nice to know that at least he does like, sometimes in a month he does like 60% of the cooking. I do 40. Why sometimes I do 60, he does 40. So that's how it is. It just depends on my own mood of going to the kitchen. If I don't feel like, he does it. So
that's it. Actually, truth is, I actually enjoy cooking. So it's not about when you get married or not. I just really enjoy cooking. So it's normal. So I don't say bad thing. Yeah. I always enjoy going to the kitchen. Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
Because you get thick meat.
Yeah, he likes meat, guys. Maybe that's why. I don't know. He likes eating meat. Like if he's boiling the meat, he takes like 4 or 5 for himself, even before dishing it. Well, why are you looking at me like
next,
that?
next. Let's call
That's
that.
it.
Next,
So
next.
he likes cooking, and I like that about him.
Next. Okay, so next for me, my number 2 is, see this beautiful lady sitting right next to me. She has a very, very good heart. She has a very good heart. Now, I'm not saying I don't have a good heart, but in this life, there are times whereby you tend to offend somebody, or you tend to probably like step on someone's toes, or you do something bad, and you know it's not your fault, right? But you can just let it slide. Like, okay, it's not my fault, let it go. But you see, in her own case, right, she tends to have this self-guilty conscience, like thing keeps eating her up, like what you did is wrong, and she keeps like, you shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that, right? Hey, calm down. You've done his past. There's nothing you can do about it. But she's like, no. I said, we shouldn't have done that. How I try to like make her feel okay, like don't worry, it's okay. We've done already, it's okay. It's already in the past. She still sometimes doesn't feel. Hey, wow, you really have a good heart. Because if you already won, I don't care. I just go, move on. That's life. That's life for me. I move forward. I don't move backwards. Like move forward, move to the next one. That's it. So for her, she always has this good heart to always try and not please everybody. She when it comes to pleasing everybody, she's not good with that. She's like, she doesn't like pleasing everybody. But when there are some particular scenarios, you actually expect someone to move on, but in her own case, she just keeps feeling like she needs to like
settle it up
and make amends for it, which is very cool. Yeah.
Okay, so last one for me is that drum rolling. He's very supportive. Okay, he's very supportive, guys.
Okay, now I'm not crying again.
Okay, guys, he's very supportive, and that's really cool of him. So just about our YouTube channel, starting up a YouTube channel, I've actually always been the one wanting to start up a YouTube channel. I searched online and everything about YouTube.
She brought up the idea.
I love making social media content, but what I do on Instagram was just take pictures, post, and take pictures about places, things that I like. What did you just do?
Why are you playing with my beds?
Take pictures about things I like and just share on Instagram like that. But like I really wanted to do more, like go into something more productive, entertaining, and I wanted to be on YouTube. But I'm a very, very shy person. I don't know. Pictures was easy for me because I just take the pictures and then write on the description about what I feel in my heart or what I actually want to pour out. But sitting down in front of the camera is like I'm showing my face. Is a whole lot of different thing. And trust me, for like 2 years I've been talking about YouTube, and I was unable to start it up. But when I spoke to him about it, he's like, okay, since you're shy about it, let's just start it up together. I'll back you up in it. So when we are two doing it, you're not going to be shy so much. And since I'm like the unshy person, I'm going to help you out with it. And probably at the end of the day, if we have a couples channel, you end up being able to start up your own personal channel from the couples channel, because you probably be used to the camera and all that. So that was how we started our YouTube channel. And other stuffs that I can't say on the camera, he has been extremely supportive. So yeah.
Even her own personal channel that she started herself, she was still finding a struggle. I was just there, doing what you can do. Just keep.
It's always the one. We're uploading videos
one.
This weekend, babe. Let's make a video. Let's make a video. I'm like, okay. Even if I was the one that brought up the whole idea of YouTube, but he encourages like so much. So yeah, guys, that's it.
So that's your final. So my own last one is actually very simple.
We have 4.
No, this is my third one. No.
Okay.
This is my last one. Yeah, my own last one is she's very, very. She might not know it. She might not want to accept. She's very funny. She's very.
That's not
funny. Not funny in terms of like comedy skit or whatever. she's funny in terms of being playful. Like, she's very playful. Like, sometimes she can just be a pain in your ass. Like, she knows how to frustrate you to the extent that you can't just get angry. You understand? She ends up frustrating you to the extent that you don't get angry, you just end up liking her. You understand? You just like, see, for example, like the way she's doing like this. What was that? Even if it's painful to me, like, she just keeps doing it and you just like, oh, just don't continue. Okay, just continue. Like, yeah. So she's like very, very playful when it comes to like, generally, like, she's very playful. She might not know it, but to me, she's very, very playful. So I hope that's all for today. Thank you very much, guys. Do you have anything to add? Shit. I know we have a lot of things to add, but just this is just
these are the ones we can say out. The other ones are kind of personal stuffs.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, so we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very
guys.
much. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, if you're just coming to our channel, join us in this channel. We want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button. And what do you say again?
Don't forget to like, share our videos. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Chop, chop.